Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Quick reminder before we get started to please like, subscribe, and share this channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 158. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 here and an 8 here, so this is our 7. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this column now, we're missing a 1 and a 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this top row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here and the 8 here, so this is our 3. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column now, we're missing a 2. And for this box, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this bottom row now, we're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 5. 5 here, so 1, 6. No help here, 1, 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. That 1 makes this our 6. We can get rid of this 6. For this row now, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 6 here, so 5, 9. 2, 5, and 6 here, so this is our 9. That makes this our 5. This our 2 and 6. That 2 makes this our 9. This 5 makes this our 1, 5. This 9 makes this our 8, 9. So for this column, we're missing a 2. And for this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. And that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.